What do you hear?
Bum, 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 bum.
Is that baby brother's heartbeat?
His heartbeat is beating.
What do you think baby's doing inside mommy's tummy right now?
Kicking you.
Kicking me, actually, yes. I can feel it. He knows your voices. He can hear you inside.
Hello. Hello, baby.
This is the heartbeat of my baby boy.
I've been doing ultrasound for 5.5 years, and this is a powerful tool because it shows women the truth about what is actually going on inside of their womb. And I've had women say things to me like, "This changes everything," or "I'm not going to stop that beating heart."